Our chili verde that we've been making is ready to eat. I'm going to show you 2 ways to eat it. One way, I just get a bowl. We're not going to put it in a burrito this time. We're just going to not make it burrito style. We'll just scoop some up. That looks really good. Alright. Put some in a bowl here. Then I got the tortilla, I got the cheese, and I got the cabbage. Let's get a little bit of cabbage. And you can chop this up as thick as you want, as big as you want. Not too bad about this much. Then we'll get a lime or a lemon, whatever you like. Get that on there. Mouth is watering. Salt it up. Get a little bit of cheese. Why don't we? Get your tortilla and just like that. And it's ready to eat. You can serve it just like that.